I'm just playing. What's up? What's up? How's it going? It's your boy. Hold on, let me take the gear off. It is your friendly neighborhood Batman coming at you from the circle. We just put some gas in the tank, filled it up. Is it just me? Or do you get that special feeling inside your stomach whenever you fill up your gas tank? It's like, I don't know, it's like getting an A+ on a test, right? You put that gas in that tank and look, just tell me this doesn't make you feel like you just got an A+, you know? Or you just ate like a strawberry cupcake. Filling up your gas tank just gives you that warm, fuzzy feeling inside your belly. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just weird. Anyways though, I'm at the circle. The circle behind me, I've shown you this before, with the flags. So here, how about if I can find somewhere to sit, it's not too dirty. Ants. Okay, maybe I won't sit, maybe I'll just stand. Here, I can stand on, or I'll sit on my motorcycle. I'll show you guys the circle, we'll just sit here. So I don't drop my Batman helmet. So let's watch the circle. Let's watch the Vietnamese people going home, or this is a Sunday night. So let's just watch how people live. And I'll give you a little bit of commentary about life. So I was listening to a podcast about happiness versus fulfillment, and which one's better. And Plato, or was it Aristotle, he says that the purpose of life is not for happiness, it's for fulfillment, which somehow got lost in translation in modern times, where people think that you should always just be happy, that the measurement of one's life is if you're happy in that moment. So you could have a family, a bunch of kids, but not be happy because you're stressed, you know, you have a lot of bills, you're not getting a lot of sleep, whatever. But you're fulfilled in the sense that every human has a nurturing side to them, be it, you know, a father, a mother, or be it just through charity as a teacher, or giving back to, you know, we have a instinct inside of us that wants to take care of others. It was an actual really good debate, really good conversation these guys were having, and it just had me thinking, you know, difference between happiness and fulfillment. Well, what is it? What am I doing? I look at my life right now, you know, and my life's good, I think, right? I'm living in Vietnam. I am happy from a subjective standpoint of the metrics. You can check a box. I am happy. I achieved a dream. I'm doing something that I never thought in a million years that I could do. Every day something new. I have a lot of stuff that a lot of people don't, which I know that's shallow. I don't mean it that way. I have things that I'm proud of. For example, I mean, look at this. You know, when I first got here, I didn't have this. And I would walk by her, and I would just, it would remind me of being back home in America, because when you're in America, this is what I have. Well, I have something a lot more powerful than this, but point being is I'm not a scooter guy. I was never meant for scooters. So I have toys. I got this nice apartment. I got this nice job. So in Plato's understanding, but through Aristotle and Plato and all the Greeks' philosophy of how this should work, that is not how I should live my life. I am not fulfilled. I am happy, but I'm not fulfilled. And so, you know, I have a lot of time. I have a lot of freedom on my hands, right? So I can do I can do anything I want. I can go anywhere I want, right? I can wake up and go to Russia. I can wake up and go to Thailand. I can wake up and do anything. But with that freedom, you have to have a purpose and responsibility with it. If you're gonna choose a life of freedom, if you're not gonna have a family, if you're not gonna have things that hold you down and stuff, well then your life should be spent doing something beyond just watching Netflix. And that was one of the other arguments that they made in this debate that they were having, and I agree. if you're not going to live like everybody else, if you choose to be outside the daily grind, well then do something with that. Well, what is that though? That is the $1 million question. What is it that somebody like me does? I don't know the difference between happiness and fulfillment. Happiness, because happiness is fleeting, right? Happiness is like, you have one moment, you wake up the next day and it's gone. But fulfillment, fulfillment is it's like a degree. It's an achievement. It's something that will last forever. It's a sense of being that is permanent, right? So I don't know if I'm making sense here. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm having trouble understanding my role in all of this whole Vietnam thing, you know? Am I doing this for happiness, fulfillment, all this freedom that I have? And I have freedom. Literally, my life is charted by however I want it to be. I can literally do anything I want. And that sounds so appealing, but at what cost? I always ask myself, at what cost does all this gonna, you know? Some people say, oh, you're gonna wake up and die a lonely old man. Some people say this, some people say that. And I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm in Vietnam though. I'm in Vietnam. Almost to my 3-year anniversary. I had a bad day today, but I refused to let it affect me emotionally. So I went out for a motorcycle ride and I was like, you know what, screw this. I will not let somebody be the catalyst for breaking me down. I will not let a person, a job, individuals, groups, whatever, social pressure, I won't let anybody be the reason that I will not every day wake up and live my life to the fullest. I came out here, right? I'm here. You know, this camera gets my nerve. I came out here and it would just be a waste for me not to, it'd be a waste for me just to lay in that bed feeling sad or lay on that couch with my head down, you know? Life is gonna throw punches your way. You're gonna get sucker punched, boom, uppercut, you know, raiding, fireball, you're gonna get your butt kicked. People are cruel. Life is cruel, right? You can't help it. I know I'm going off on a tantrum, but I guess let's just summarize the two things about this video, right? One is, this is a Sunday evening in the circle of Lao Cai. This is a little square, right? Or circle. I've shown this before. So it's kind of fun to mess with the law enforcement that will sit here in their little they'll sit here on motorcycles, but they're on these little 250s and they ride side by side. They'll have the one on the back. So if you really want to mess with them, which I don't recommend, but just do a bunch of loops around this thing as fast as you can, leaning, right? They do have billy clubs though, and they will beat you with those sticks. They might not have guns, but they do have billy clubs. You got to be careful. But yeah, I filled up my gas tank, and I find myself wondering, like, where should I go? I could go see. Hello, Spider-Man. Hello. See you guys. Yes, Spider-Man. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again. Maybe that's fulfillment. I don't know. You know, you wonder. Sometimes life maybe will throw you a sign. Is that fulfillment? Is that what life is all about? If so, I missed the memo. Or maybe I'm just afraid. Or is this fulfillment? I mean, you know, there's a new teacher at my school from Siberian, Russia. How amazing must that be to be from the coldest place on earth? Envy, I feel. You know, if I ever did leave Vietnam, I think Russia would be on the list of places that I would like to live and teach. So But yeah, I got a full tank of gas, but I have nowhere to go. It sounds like a country song, right? I have a full tank of gas, but nowhere to go. But hello, hello, goodbye, goodbye. So you know what? We could go see a movie at 8 o'clock. There is a movie called, it's called The Scary Movie. The Haunting of House Minor. Something like that. I don't remember. But maybe we'll see it. Hello, goodbye. Or we could just ride up to Sapa at night, which is always dangerous. We could go get a banh mi and eat. Go get some ice cream, which is a good idea. Hello, hello. Hello. Bye-bye. People are so friendly here, that's what I love about it. You know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go get some ice cream. We'll get some ice cream, and then we'll contemplate. Goodbye, goodbye. Deuces. These kids are crazy. Bye-bye, bye-bye. All right, ice cream it is. So, let's get ready, let's go. This is Indiana Jones signing out.